Grab some glue, let's have some fun. Build it up, nice and tall. A little craft can do it all. Stick by stick, we make it strong. Paint it bright, sing along. A place for pens, a work of art, made with love straight from the heart. Color it blue or maybe red. Add some glitter like we said. Wrap it up with ribbon tight. Now it's looking oh so bright. Color it blue or maybe red. Add some glitter like we said. Wrap it up with ribbon tight. Now it's looking oh so bright. Let it dry, wait a while. Soon you'll see a reason to smile. Handmade magic, can't you see? A little craft made by me. Stick by stick, it's all done. Now let's use it, oh what fun. Pens and pencils in their place. A holder made with love and grace. Love it, drawing brew only with love and grace. Let her try, wait a while, soon you'll see a reason to smile. Handmade magic, can't you see? A little craft made by me. Let it dry, wait a while, soon you'll see a reason to smile. Handmade magic, can't you see? A little craft made by me.